Hello friends, let us continue with this AIBE9 question paper. We have completed almost the series of AIB4 and 7, 8, 9 was not done, so I am doing this. 10 is uploaded, 11 is also uploaded. So please check on the list and you will find out the papers. Just study more, it's only 14 days. I'll repeat the question 25. Which of the following is not objective of United Nations? So, establishment of democratic government throughout the world is not objective of UN. This part 2. Question number is 26. The committee that led to the passing of Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 was headed by Justice J.S. Verma. 27. What is true of perpetual injunction? What is true of perpetual injunction? Perpetual is permanent. It is a purpose, you can say. The purpose of perpetual injunction is preventive in nature. 28. The provisions of dash do not apply to trade unions registered under the provisions of Trade Union Act 1926. Both A and B. First is the Cooperative Societies Act and the second act is Companies Act 1956 do not apply to trade unions registered under the provision of Trade Union Act. हे दोन्ही ऍक्ट त्याला लागू होत नाहीत. 29. According to Salmond, every legal right is availed against a person upon whom lies the correct correlative duty. Legal right and correlative duty. 30. The binding force of precedent is destroyed or weakened by abrogated decisions. 31. Which of the following is true in respect of government contract which does not conform to provisions of Article 299 of the Constitution? Government contract च्या बद्दल आहे which does not conform to provisions. They are not enforceable in the court against the parties. 32. State Bar Council under provision section 35 of Advocates Act 1961 has the authority to all of this: reprimand the advocate, suspend advocate from practice for such a period of time as they deem fit, and remove the name of the advocate from the state roll. तिन्ही होऊ शकतं section 35 of Advocates Act. State Bar Councilचा authority दिलेली आहे तिन्ही. So the answer is all of the above. Section 35 लक्षात ठेव. Which of the following is untrue regarding qualification for a person to be admitted on the state roll maintained by state bar councils? He must be an Indian citizen. खूप महत्वाचं आहे. आता फॉरेन लॉयर्स जेव्हा इंडियाच्या प्रॅक्टिससाठी येऊ लागलेत किंवा होऊ शकतात त्या बाबतीमध्ये हे फर्स्ट हा जो रूल आहे, ही मस्ट बी अन इंडियन सिटीजन. Otherwise, he can't be admitted on the state rolls. Time which has begun to run can be stopped in case of कुठल्याच section याच्यासाठी ती allowed नाही. Minority, insanity or idiocy. None of the above. If an instrument may be construed either as a promissory note or a bill of exchange, it is an ambiguous instrument. How is the net worth of foreign company calculated for the purpose of corporate social responsibility? CSR. Net worth किती असली पाहिजे? Section. It shall be calculated as per Section 198 and Section 381 of Companies Act 2013. CSR ची कन्सेप्ट 2013 ची आहे. According to one of the theories of punishment, evil should be returned by evil. This theory is called the retributive theory. And we are in India following reformative theory. Which of the following actions can be taken by registrar under section 4 subsection 5 of the Companies Act 2013? Take action for striking off the name of the company from register of the companies. Registrarची power आहे section 4 subsection 5 of Companies Act 2013. Striking off म्हणजे नाव काढून टाकायचं, कमी करायचं. 39. Which of the following are included in the concept of state under Article 12? All of the above. Railway Board, Judiciary, University, सगळे स्टेटच्या अंडर येतात. 40. The word procedure established by law in Article 21 means a law which is reasonable, just and fair. 3 गोष्टी महत्वाच्या आहेत त्यातल्या 3 शब्द. Reasonable, just and fair. Objection as to non-joinder or misjoinder of parties under order 1 of Rule 13 of CPC should be taken at the earliest possible opportunity or shall be invalid. Non-joinder आणि misjoinderच्या बद्दलचा आहे Order 1 Rule 13. 42. Objection as to the place of suing can only be taken before the court of the first instance at the earliest possible opportunity. Place of suing च्या बद्दल आहे फर्स्ट इन्स्टन्सला आणि अर्लिएस्ट पॉसिबल ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीला ऑब्जेक्शन घेतलं पाहिजे. On the retirement, removal or death of the next friend under Order 32, Rule 10 of CPC, the suit is liable to be stayed. Retirement, removal, death of next friend. नवीन नेक्स्ट फ्रेंड येईपर्यंत स्टेइंग होतं. रूल 10 लक्षात ठेवा. Order 32, Rule 10. In India, which of following authorities has the power to block websites? CERT.in. CERT.in. Ministry of IT. The right to private defense is available when there is no time to have recourse of public authority. Which of the following can be considered retrenchment under the provision of Industrial Dispute Act of 1947? यापैकी कुठलेही नाही आहे. टर्मिनेशन नाही, अबंडनमेंट किंवा टर्मिनेशन ऑफ अबॉलिशिंग एज ऑफ सुपरएन्युएशन इज नॉट द प्रोव्हिजन कन्सिडर्ड ॲज रिट्रेंचमेंट. रिट्रेंच म्हणजे कमी करायचं नोकरीतनं. Which of the following statement hold truth regarding imprisonment under the provision of section 114 subsection 3 of Child Labor Protection and Prohibition Act of 1986? It may be extended to 1 month. Imprisonment चा कोर्स दिलेला आहे. Imprisonment under provision of section 14(3) Child Labor बद्दल 1 month imprisonment. 48. We'll complete 50 and tomorrow 50 in the morning. Onus to prove reasonable excuse for withdrawal from society of other is one respondent. Onus to prove reasonable excuse. कोणाची जबाबदारी आहे? Respondentची. Onus to prove reasonable excuse for withdrawal from the society. 49. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceeds on appearance within 2 years of attachment. 2 वर्षाची लिमिटेशन पिरियड आहे. त्याला परत मिळू शकते ती प्रॉपर्टी, पण तो लिमिटेशन पिरियडच्या आतच क्लेम केली पाहिजे. आयदर प्रॉपर्टी तरी मिळेल किंवा सेल झाली असेल तर सेल्स प्रोसीड मिळू शकतात. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इन दिस. Question whether a statement was recorded in the course of investigation is a question of fact. So we'll continue it tomorrow. Please study. Thank you.